Top advice for taking out a home mortgage. It can end badly if you don't have the right information. Many purchasers are afraid to discuss their home because they do not understand that they still may have options to renegotiate it. Be sure to call the mortgage holder. Get your documents in order before you apply for a new mortgage. Most lenders require you to produce these documents at the same documents. These include your W-2s, bank statements, income tax returns and bank statements. The whole process goes smoother when your documents ready. Make sure to see if a property has decreased in value before trying to apply for another mortgage. Even though you might think everything is great with your home, the lending institution might value it much differently, which could make you less likely to get your second mortgage. You may want to hire a consultant so they can help you through this process. A home loan consultant can help you navigate the process. They will also ensure that the terms are fair for you and not just the company you chose. Educate yourself about the tax history when it comes to property tax. You must be able to anticipate your property taxes will be before buying a home. Ask around for advice on obtaining a home mortgages. They may be able to provide you with some advice about what you should be looking for. Some may share negative stories that can help you what not to do. Check out a minimum of 3, and preferably 5, lenders before you look at one to be the lender. Check out reputations with people you know and online, and ask friends and family. If your mortgage is causing you to struggle, get some help. Counseling is a good way to start if you cannot stay on top of your monthly payments or are having difficulty affording the minimum amount. There are agencies under the Department of Housing and Urban Development all around the country. These counselors can help you prevent a foreclosure. Call HUD or look online for their office to find out about local programs. Try lowering your debt load prior to purchasing a home. A home mortgage will take a chunk of your money, no matter what comes your way. Having fewer debts will make it that much easier to get a home mortgage loan. Many brokers can find mortgages that will fit your situation better than traditional lenders can. They do business with a lot of lenders and can help you make the right product. Know as much as you can about all fees prior to signing any agreement for the mortgage. You will also be responsible for closing costs, commission fees and other charges. You can often negotiate these with either the lender or the seller. If you can pay more every month, try getting a 15 to 20-year loan. These loans usually have a lower interest rate but a higher monthly payment for the shorter loan period. You will save thousands of dollars in the end. Speak with a broker and feel free to ask questions about things you do not understand. It is very important that you know exactly what is going on. Be sure to provide your mortgage broker knows how to contact details. Check in with your emails to see if the broker needs more information. Clean up your credit before you go shopping for a mortgage. Lenders today want people with excellent credit. They need to make sure that you're good at paying back money you are able to pay them back. Tidy up your credit before you apply for a mortgage. Think about finding a mortgage that will let you make payments bi-weekly. This will let you make extra payments every year and reduces the time of the loan. It can be a great idea to have payments can just be taken from your account. If you do not really have a credit history, you'll have to take a non-traditional loan route. Keep all your payment records for a year in advance. This will help you pay your utility and rent on time. You don't have to rework your entire file if one lender has denied by a lender. You can simply move on to the next lender. It is likely not to be your fault. Some lenders are just more picky than others. You may just find that the next lender sees your file as perfectly fine. Don't change jobs while you are in the process of a mortgage application. Your lender will be informed of any job and this could lead to delays on your closing. Many lenders offer their loyal customers better rates and terms than those who are new to the company. Ask your friends for advice before beginning your search for a home mortgage broker. They can give you tips on what to look out for and tell you towards someone who they've previously worked with. You still need to compare a few different brokers after getting suggestions, but you will have a direction in which to go. The internet is something you can use to research lenders. You should check message boards and online reviews to learn more about different lenders. Read reviewers from actual borrowers have to say about the lenders before applying for a loan. You will learn the truth about lenders and their practices. When you consider refinancing a current mortgage, keep in mind that the fees involved can negate any benefits. If your current interest rate is already low, you need not go to another slightly lower rate loan if you end up paying high fees to do it. Do not look at houses outside your price range for a home. Even though you can get the loan for the property, it could come back to you later and bite you. You may find it difficult to pay the payments caused by compounding interest on the loan. Now that home mortgages are something you know a lot about, you should be able to get things going when you need one. Use the tips here to help you during this process. Now, all you have to do is go shopping for mortgages and remember what you learned here.